Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you the quickest recipe that is also a great gift idea and super delicious, so I hope you stay with me now. You want to start out with a pan and you want to put that on medium heat and add your butter and your cream. And then you want to cut down your white chocolate and then add that in your little pan as well. You want to stir until this is completely melted, and then you can take it off the heat. Now you want to add in all the coconut, the desiccated coconut, and mix that in. And when that is completely combined, you want to put it in the fridge for at least an hour. Now you want to go ahead, you want to take an almond. Then you want to use about a teaspoon of this mixture and hide the almond in there. And then just put the little truffle in the coconut so it is covered from all sides, and then you're done. So as I said, these are great gifts, they're very tasty, and I hope you give them a try. See you tomorrow!